Welcome everybody, this is Abdel Fattah from DiviKingdom.com, and in today's video I will introduce you to my new module for Divi and WooCommerce. It's a one module plugin that will allow you to display your WooCommerce products in tabs format without any coding from you. Using the module is really simple and will allow you to create unique WooCommerce shop that will stand out among other shops. Let's see this module in action. As you can see, this layout I just created. When I scroll down, you'll see that I have listed three kinds of products: the new arrivals, my new products, the popular products, and the top rated products. So if you click on the popular products, you will get a list of your popular products. When you click on top rated, you will get the top rated products on your website. And if you look to my other layout, if I scroll down, you can see also I have created a module of 4 tabs, one for the best selling, and one for the featured products, and another one for the sale products, and another tab to display all of my products. And if we look to this layout, it has 5 designs for now, and if you look at it, this is the first design, and here's another one, and another one, and one more, and another one. All these designs are created with just one module. Using it is very easy and simple. All you have to do is just install the plugin, and the module will be added to your Divi Builder, and you can start using it. After you purchase the plugin from DiviKingdom.com website, we will send you 2 emails. One of them will contain your login details, the plugin download URL, and your license key. After you download the plugin, copy your license key and go to your website. But first, make sure you have WooCommerce and you also have Divi theme or extra theme or Divi Builder plugin. Next, go to plugins and click on add new, and click on upload and select the plugin you just downloaded and click on install now. If you at any time wanted to get your license key or download the plugin again, you can go to your account page and click on downloads to download the plugin, and you can get your license key under the licenses tab. So I will go there and copy my license key. Just hover over the license key you want and click on this icon right here. So I will copy this license key and go back to my website, click on activate the plugin, and immediately you will be redirected to the license key activation. Just paste your license key right here and click on agree and activate. Now you have activated the plugin and you are ready to start using it. Okay, now let's start using the plugin. I will go to pages and click on add new page. I will call this page shop tabs example and click on use Divi Builder. Okay, I will build the layout from scratch and add one column and search for the shop tabs module. And now you can start adding your tabs by clicking on this plus icon right here. So I will add my first tab. The first option under the main content options is the products type. Here you can select to display recent products or featured products, sale products, best selling products, or top rated products. For this tab, I will display the recent products, And you can also specify where you want to display these products from. You can display the products from the entire shop, or from specific categories, or from the current archive page, and we will use this option inside the theme builder. So for now, I will select display the recent products from the entire shop. I will give this tab a title. I will call it recent or new products, as you like. Next, you can add an icon to this tab by enabling this option, and you can select the icon. I will select this icon. After that, you can specify how many products you want to display per page. By default, it displays 12 products per page. I will make them, let's say, 8 products, and I want to display these 8 products in 4 columns. So you get 2 rows, as you can see. Next, you can change the order of these products, and you can display them, order them by the menu order, which is the default. You can arrange them by popularity, rating. You can display them based on their date, from the oldest to the newest, and from the newest to oldest. You can arrange them based on the price, from the low to high, and from high to low. Since I'm adding recent products, I will arrange them based on the date, from the newest to the oldest. After that, click on Elements. Here you can show or hide a lot of elements. Here, the first one is the results number. As you can see, this line here displays how many products on each page, so you can hide that. You can also hide the sorting options, this one right here. You can also hide or show the sale badge, which appears over products under sale, and you can show or hide the rating. You can show or hide the product price, and you can also show the product short description. It's no by default. And you can also show the add to cart button under each product. So when your clients click on that button, the product will be added to the cart. For single products, for variable products, there will be view products button or view options. Okay, and you can also show or hide the pagination. In my example here, I will keep the pagination. Okay. So these are the main options for each tab, and you can add tabs by going back and clicking on the plus icon again to add extra tabs, or you can just click on the duplicate icon, so you can add an extra tab with the same options, and you can just change what you want to change. So for the next tab, I will display the featured products, also from my entire shop, and I will call this featured, and I will choose a different icon. Okay, and I will keep everything the same. I will add an extra tab for the products under sale, so I will display the sale products. I will call it sale products, or just sale for this example. And I will select a different icon, any icon you want. Let's say this one. Okay, and click on OK. As you can see here, you can rearrange the tabs as you like, just by dragging the tab to the place you want. Under the tabs, you will get an extra option to show or hide the tabs titles. So if I disable this option, the titles or the navigation will be removed. This is useful in case you only want one tab to be displayed. You don't have many tabs, just one tab, and you don't want to display a title for it. So it's a good idea to hide that title right here. So now let's be more specific with our tabs. As you can see in these 3 tabs, we are displaying the products from the entire shop, but you can be more specific by selecting products from specific categories. So I will keep these 3 tabs right here and click on duplicate. I will add an extra tab, but for this tab I will display the, let's say, the best selling products from not the entire shop but from specific categories, and I will select, let's say, clothing, and I will give this tab a title. I will say best selling clothing. Okay, so give it a different icon, just an icon. And when you go to this tab, it will display only the best selling products from this category. And you can also specify more than one category. So let me just go back here, and you can see now we have the best selling products from 2 different categories. The same can apply to all types of products. So you can make these the sale products and under the clothing and decor category, and you can call this one, let's say, sale or clothes on sale, for example. Okay, so now it only displays the products on sale under the selected categories. So if you combine these 5 types of products and these 2 options, you can get full flexibility on which products you want to display. So let's recap. You can display the recent products, featured, sale, best selling, top rated from the entire shop or from a specific category or specific categories here. Now let's look at the third option here, which is the current archive page, and let's see how we can use this option to build custom layouts for our archive pages and the shop page using the theme builder. First, let me go to my backend and let me view the shop page, and also let me see one of the product categories pages. So let me open this page, and when you look at the shop page, you will see just a list of the recent products. And when you go to the clothing page or any other category page, you will get also the same result, a list of the recent products from this page. So we can build custom layouts using the theme builder. So I will go to Divi and click on theme builder. And let's see how we can use the shop tabs module with these layouts. I will click on add new template, and I will select, I want this layout to be used for all the product category pages, also all the product tags, and I want this layout also to be used for the shop page. So you can see you can select multiple options here, and we will just create one layout and it will be used for all of our product archive pages, and the module will display the correct products for each page. Click on add custom body, build custom body, and I will click on build from scratch. I will add one column and look for the shop tabs. And I will add my first tab, and I will set this tab to display the recent products from this current page. And I will give it a title. I will call it recent. So I will skip the other options. You already know about them. I will go back and add another tab. In the second tab, I will display the featured products from the current archive page. I will call it featured. Okay, I will add an extra tab, and this tab will display the sale products from the current archive page, and I will call it sale and click on save. Okay, I will save my template, close the builder and click on save changes. Now we should see this custom template used for the shop page, all product categories and all product tags pages. So if I go back to my shop page and click on reload, you will see that we get our new template. The first tab displays the recent products, all the 17 products we have. The featured will display only the featured products. The sale only will display the products under sale. And if I go to the clothing category page and click on reload, you will see also that this page will use our custom template, and the recent will display the recent products from this clothing category. And the featured tab will also display the featured products from this category, and the sale tab will display the products under sale from this category. And if we go to the back end and select a different category to see how it looks, let's select, let's say this hoodies. As you can see, it also uses our custom template. Featured, it only has one featured product. Sale, and it also has only one product on sale. So with these options, the products types and the products from option, you can display basically anything you want on any page you want very easily. Now let's look at the design options for our module. I will go back and go to the first page of the Shop Tabs module. Click on design, and first I will center everything. Just by clicking on this icon, everything will be centered. Next, you can customize the navigation of the tabs. So I will start here. You can give this navigation a background. And so I will select any color. Let me just select this gray color. And as you can see, this background is for the entire navigation area. You can give it padding, which is the space inside the navigation. So I will give it 10 pixels everywhere, as you can see. You can also give it some rounded corners, and you can give it custom borders, as you can see. Okay. You can customize the icon of each tab. By default, the icon is displayed before the tab title. You can display it above the title, and you can customize the alignment of this icon. You can change the color of the icon, and you can change the size of the icon as you want. And you can give the active tab a different styling. And here we will start with the icon of the active tab. The active tab by default is the first tab. So I can make the active icon to be, let's say, black. So this one is active in, I clicked on this. If I go here, this now is the active, and now it's black, as you can see. Okay. You can also change the size of the active icon, so it will look different than the other icons. I will keep it as the others. Next, you can customize the tab text by first giving it a background. So I will give them a white background. And you can customize the padding of each item. As you can see, each item has a 20 pixels padding. I will keep it the same. You can customize the margin of each item. By default, each item has a 5 pixels on the right, which makes this gap. You can remove it by just making this a 0 pixels. In my example, I will keep it the same. You can change everything about the font, like the font family, the font weight, the font style, the text alignment, the tab text color. So if you make them red, as you can see, you can change the font size of each title, and everything you usually see inside the font options in Divi modules. You can also give each tab a border radius, so you can give it a rounded corners, and you can give each item a border, as you can see. And of course, you can customize everything about the border color and border style as well. And as you can see now, we are customizing the text of all the tabs, but you can give the active tab a different styling, just like the active icon. So we made the active icon look black, so I will make this active text. First, I will give it a background. Let's say I will give it maybe just a different color, just so you can understand the idea, or just some crazy color. And you can change its color to black, or you can change it to anything you want. And as you can see now, each tab, the active tab, will always look different than other tabs. Okay, and also you can customize everything about it, like the rounded corners and the borders and all the font options you usually have. Next, we will get down to the product area. Each product of these products, you can give each product a background. So I will give it a light gray, as you can see. You can give every product some padding. So I will give it some padding on the bottom, so this button doesn't look attached to the bottom like that. So I will give it, let's say, 20 pixels on the bottom. And you can also give it some rounded corners. I will make it 5 or maybe 15 so you can see it, as you can see. And each product also can get a border. Next, we can customize the overlay of the product image. You can disable the overlay altogether. And you can, if you keep it, you can customize the icon color, the overlay background, and the icon itself. Next, you customize the sale badge. You can give it a different background. And you can customize the font of this sale badge as you like. And you can give it also a different text color. Next, you can customize the product title. Let's start with the product title, and you can change everything about the font family, font weight, font size, etc. The product image, you can give it some rounded corners. As you can see, I made them look circles. And you can give it borders. You can customize the text of the price, and you can also customize the look of the star rating by changing the color of the rating or changing the alignment of the rating. And you can customize the size of the stars as you like. Next, you can customize the sale price text, and this applies to products under sale. Each product has an old price and a new price. The sale price. You can customize this text as you like here. You can customize the short description text just like any other text inside this module. The view cart text is the text that will be displayed when the client click on add to cart. The product will be added to the cart, and a little text, view cart text, will be displayed under the add to cart button. You can customize that as well. And you can customize the pagination text, everything the same. You can customize the color of the active page so it looks different than other pages. And you can also customize the add to cart button to look as you like. You can give it an icon, as you can see. Everything you usually see when you customize buttons in Divi. You can change the cart margin and the add to cart padding as well, and the box shadow of the button. After that, you will get the regular design options that you can see in all Divi modules, like the sizing of the entire module, the size of the entire module. You can customize the size of the module. The same for spacing, which is the padding and the margin of the entire module, the border, the box shadow, filters, transform, and animation. And all these options will affect the entire module. If you go back to the content, you will see that we are designing all the tabs at once. But you can give a specific tab some different styling by just going to this very tab. So I will go to this first tab, and I want to, for the, let's say, the button to look, to get a different background. So I will go to its design tab, look for the add to cart, give it a custom style, and I will just change the background to be, let's say, red. So now all my tabs will get the black button, but except this one will get the red button.